Good morning, dear students. In this video, we are going to discuss product of vectors. We are in exercise 5b. Exercise 5b. We are in the second section. First section we have completed before 2 days. Now we will enter into the exercise 5b second section. First question. If a bar plus b bar plus c bar equal to 0, then prove that a bar cross b bar, which is equal to b bar cross c bar, which is equal to c bar cross a bar. See, listen, this proof we will take in the three cases. See here, first you have to write a given condition. Given that a bar plus b bar plus c bar is equal to 0. So first consider the given condition in the first case. A bar plus b bar plus c bar equal to 0. In the case 1, like this you can take it. A bar make as a subject. A bar equal to minus b bar minus c bar. Better to take like this. In LHS side a bar is there now. So cross multiply on both sides with a bar. So, a bar cross a bar is equal to a bar cross minus b bar minus c bar. So, each and every vector you can multiply with a bar in RHS. We know that in cross product, the cross product of two vectors is equal to 0. So, this value goes to be 0. Which is equal to minus a bar cross b bar minus a bar cross c bar. This minus a bar cross c bar we are taking into this sign. It will becomes plus a bar cross c bar, which is equal to minus a bar cross b bar. So, minus of a bar cross c bar we are taking into this sign, LHS sign. So, a bar cross c bar. You remember that if in cross product, if you interchange these two vectors, the sign of the cross product will be changed. So, here why we are changing? In the proof it is given that c bar cross a bar, but here a bar cross c bar is there. If you interchange these vectors, minus will come. So, minus of c bar cross a bar, which is equal to minus of a bar cross b bar. On both sides, minus minus get cancelled. We will get c bar cross a bar, which is equal to a bar cross b bar. This is equation number 1. In the case 1, we got it. Similarly, consider the case 2. Here a bar make as a subject now, similarly b bar will make as a subject. Given that a bar plus b bar plus c bar equal to 0. So b bar can be written as minus a bar minus c bar. So as soon as taking that way separated, here this side b bar is there no in LHS side. So cross multiply on both sides with b bar vector. So b bar cross b bar is equal to b bar cross minus a bar minus c bar. So cross product of two vectors is equal to 0. So 0 equal to minus b bar cross a bar minus b bar cross c bar. Minus b bar cross c bar we are taking into this sign. That implies b bar cross c bar is equal to minus b bar cross a bar. If we remove this minus, these two will be interchanged. Therefore, b bar cross c bar is equal to a bar cross b bar. This is result 2. Similarly, the third case we have to assume that in the case 3, A bar plus B bar plus C bar equal to 0. Here C bar making a subject. So C bar equal to minus A bar minus B bar. So cross multiply on both sides with the C bar vector. So C bar cross C bar equal to C bar cross minus A bar minus B bar. So cross product of two vectors is equal to 0, which is equal to minus C bar cross A bar minus C bar cross B bar. Now we have to prove B bar cross C bar and C bar cross A bar. This minus of C bar cross B bar, we are taking this sign, it will become C bar cross B bar is equal to minus C bar cross A bar. If you interchange these two, minus is going to come. That implies minus B bar cross C bar is equal to minus C bar cross A bar. So both sides minus get cancelled. B bar cross C bar equal to C bar cross A bar. Equation number 3. From 1 and 2 and 3, we get A bar cross B bar, which is equal to B bar cross C bar, which is equal to C bar cross A bar. Hence proved. We'll move to the next question now. The next question, it may chances to ask for 4 marks. If A bar equal to 2i plus j minus k and B bar equal to minus I plus 2j minus 4k and C bar equal to I bar plus j bar plus k bar, then find A bar cross B bar dot B bar cross C bar. See here, given vectors, I am writing all the vectors. A bar equal to 2i plus j minus k, B bar equal to minus I plus 2j minus 4k, and C bar equal to I plus j plus k. First you have to calculate A bar cross B bar, the cross product of two vectors. A bar cross B bar equal to, we know that cross product of two vectors, how to do that? So I bar, j bar, k bar, A bar components 2, 1, minus 1 and B bar components minus 1, 2, minus 4, which is equal to, so here plus minus plus, that I will make a mark to easy to understand, plus minus plus. So I bar into 1 into minus 4 minus 2 into minus 1 minus 2, minus of minus 2 plus 2, minus j bar into 2 into minus 4 minus 8 minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1 plus k bar into 2 into 4 minus 1 into 1 minus of minus 1 plus 1. So if you simplify, you will get it as minus 4 plus 2 is minus 2, minus 2 into I, minus 2i, minus 1 minus 8 minus 9, minus into minus plus 9i, 4 plus 1 5 into k 5k. That is the vector of A bar cross B bar. Now come to B bar cross C bar. So now consider B bar cross C bar. I, j, k. So B bar components we have to write it minus 1, 2, minus 4 and C bar components 1, 1, 1. So which is equal to I bar 2 into 1, 2 minus 1 into minus 4, minus of minus 4 plus 4 plus j bar into, So not plus here, minus. I already said that. Plus, minus, plus. This is the way you have to remember. Even here also I wrote. Minus 1 into 1, minus 1. Minus 1 into minus 4, plus 4, minus of minus. Plus k bar into minus 1, minus 2. Which is equal to 2 plus 4, 6. 6 into I, 6i. 4 minus 1, 3. 3 into minus a, minus 3j. Minus 3 into k, minus 3k. This is about the vector of b bar cross c bar. Next, the required one. Therefore, a bar cross b bar dot b bar cross c bar, which is equal to a bar cross b bar minus 2i plus 9j plus 5k dot b bar cross c bar 6i minus 3j minus 3k. So dot product of two vectors, we know that. Just I will give one more time hint. A bar equal to a1i plus a2j plus a3k. B bar equal to b1i plus b2j plus b3k. Then a bar dot b bar equal to a1 b1 plus a2 b2 plus a3 b3. This is the formula for dot product of two vectors. So similarly here, which is equal to a1 into b1. So minus 2 into 6 plus 9 into minus 3 plus 5 into minus 3, which is equal to minus 12, minus 27, minus 15, which is equal to minus 15, minus 12, minus 27, minus 27, minus 27, minus 54. Therefore, the value of a bar cross b bar dot b bar cross c bar is equal to minus 54. We will move to the next question now. The next question. Find the vector area and the area of parallelogram having a bar equal to I bar plus 2j bar minus k bar and b bar equal to 2i minus j plus 2k as adjacent sides. We know that here two formulas I am going to do that. First you can calculate a bar cross b bar. Why? Because the formula for the vector area of parallelogram whose adjacent sides are a bar and b bar is a bar cross b bar. This is the vector area. Suppose if they are asking to calculate area itself, not only vector area is different from area of the parallelogram. So vector area means a bar cross b bar. Similarly, the area of parallelogram whose adjacent sides are a bar and b bar is magnitude of a bar cross b bar, modulus of a bar cross b bar. That is the difference between these two. Keep in mind, dear students. So this is one formula, vector area of the parallelogram whose adjacent sides. This is area of the parallelogram. So first given given adjacent sides of a parallelogram or a bar equal to I plus 2j minus k and b bar equal to 2i minus j plus 2k. This is about adjacent sides. Now calculate a bar cross b bar. The area of a bar cross b bar equal to, so I j k, here plus, here minus, here plus. First, a bar components 1 2 minus 1, b bar components 2 minus 1 2, so which is equal to I bar into 2 2s are 4 minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1 minus j bar into 1 into 2 2 minus 2 into minus 1 minus of minus 2 plus 2 plus k bar into 1 into minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 into 2 4, so which is equal to 4 minus 1 is 3 3i 4 minus j, so minus 4j minus 5k. Therefore a bar cross b bar is equal to 3i minus 4j minus 5k. After calculating of a bar cross b bar, you can give separate answers. So first question answer, the vector area of parallelogram whose adjacent sides or a bar and b bar is a bar cross b bar, that is what value we got it here, 3i minus 4j minus 5k. Second question answer, the area, this is not vector area, the area of parallelogram whose adjacent sides or a bar and b bar is magnitude of a bar cross b bar, that is equal to magnitude of 3i minus 4j minus 5k, which is equal to square root of 3 square plus minus 4 whole square plus minus 5 whole square, which is equal to square root of 9 plus 16 plus 25, which is equal to root 50. That also can be written as root 25 into 2. So root 25 we can take outside 5 into root 2. So this is the area of parallelogram whose sides are a bar and b bar, which is vector area. This question is important for 4 marks they will ask. Only one question if they will ask, that is for 2 marks. If they will ask both the questions, it will ask for 4 marks. We will move to the next question now. The next question, if a bar cross b bar equal to b bar cross c bar is not equal to 0, then prove that a bar plus c bar equal to p into b bar, where p is some scalar. It's a very good question, conceptual question. So listen carefully. Here condition is given, a bar cross b bar equal to b bar cross c bar, which is not equal to 0. So here given that A bar cross B bar, which is equal to B bar cross C bar, which should not be equal to 0. Yes. B bar cross C bar, I am considering A bar cross B bar is equal to, if we take B bar cross C bar, if we interchange these two vectors, what is happening? The sign of this cross product will be changed. So minus C bar cross B bar. That we can take the sign. So A bar cross B bar plus C bar cross B bar is equal to 0. So A bar cross B bar plus C bar cross B bar. So what I am writing is, here A bar plus C bar cross product of B bar. So from these two B bar I am taking common. Why? Because A bar is cross multiplication with B bar. C bar also cross multiplication with B bar. Here the symbol is plus. So A bar plus C bar cross B bar is equal to 0. Whenever the cross product of two vectors equal to 0, that implies that A bar plus C bar vector and B bar vector are parallel vectors. Parallel vectors or collinear vectors or collinear in brackets. In the previous discussions, in the concepts, we learned that the two vectors, if A bar and B bar are parallel vectors, if A bar and B bar are parallel vectors or collinear vectors, if A bar and B bar are parallel vectors or collinear vectors, one vector can be represented as scalar multiple of other vector. That means, then A bar equal to T into B bar, or we can express B bar equal to T into A bar, where T is a scalar. T belongs to R. T is a scalar and some constant. So that by using this concept, whenever these two vectors are parallel or coincident collinear vectors, we can write it as, if and only if it is A bar plus C bar and B bar are parallel vectors. So we can express as A bar plus C bar is equal to some constant dimension. So I am taking as P into B bar. P is some scalar here. That is, P belongs to R. Hence proved. This is the way, concept way we can use that. We will move to the next question now. The next question. Let A bar and B bar be vectors satisfying mod A bar equal to mod B bar equal to 5 and angle between A bar and B bar is 45 degrees. Find the area of the triangle having A bar minus 2B bar and 3A bar plus 2B bar as two of its sides. These two are the sides of the triangle. And the angle between A bar and B bar vector is 45 and whose magnitude of equal to 5. Then find the area. So first, given information you have to write it. What is the given information? Given A bar and B bar. Given magnitude of A bar equal to magnitude of B bar equal to 5 and the angle between A bar comma B bar, which is equal to theta equal to 45 degrees. Two sides of the triangle is given whose area is half into cross product of these two sides. So cross product only, no? So we need to calculate A bar cross B bar when we know these values. Now calculate A bar cross B bar, which is equal to, what is the formula for A bar cross B bar? mod a bar into mod b bar into sine of a bar comma b bar. Substitute respective values. 5 into 5 into sine 45. 5 5 is 25. Sine 45 1 by root 2. So 25 by root 2. This is the value of a bar cross b bar. So therefore a bar cross b bar value is 25 by root 2. Even mod also if you take, same only it will come. After that, the area of triangle whose sides are given, whose sides are a bar minus 2b bar and 3a bar plus 2b bar is, this is completely a bar we are assuming, this is completely b bar, is delta equal to half into first vector into second vector, cross product of two vectors, a bar minus 2b bar cross 3a bar plus 2b bar. So now cross product we have to do that. 1 by 2 into each and every term. So a bar cross 3a bar. Observe carefully. A bar cross 2b bar. Here plus is there. A bar cross 2b bar. Next, these two. Minus 2 into 3 minus 6. Minus 2 into 3 6. B bar cross a bar. Next, minus 2 into plus 2, minus 4. B bar cross B bar. Even here also, A bar cross 3A bar is there now. So, 3 constant, you can take outside A bar cross A bar. Even here also, A bar cross 2B bar, 2 constant. We can write it as 2 times of A bar cross B bar. We know that a bar cross a bar, b bar cross b bar values goes to be 0. The cross product of same vectors is always equal to 0. So this value goes to be 0, even this value goes to be 0. And one more, a bar cross b bar is equal to minus of b bar cross a bar. If you interchange these two vectors in cross product, the sign of this cross product will change. So, in place of minus b bar cross a bar, we can write it as a bar cross b bar. So, it will become half into 3 into 0 plus 2 into a bar cross b bar minus b bar cross a bar. We can write it as plus b bar a bar cross b bar plus 6 into a bar cross b bar minus 4 into 0. So which is equal to half into this value 0, this value 0. 2 into a bar cross b bar plus 6 into a bar cross b bar. So 8 into a bar cross b bar. So 2 ones are 2 fours are. So 8 constant you can take outside. 8 by 2 into mod a bar cross b bar. So it will become as 4. Mod a bar cross b bar we have here result 25 by root 2. So which is equal to 25 into 4 is 100 by root 2. That also can be written as 50 into 2 divided by root 2. That is equal to 50 into 2 can be written as root 2 into root 2 divided by root 2. So one of the root 2 will be cancelled, which is equal to 50 root 2. Therefore, the required area of triangle, equal to 50 root 2 units. We will move to the next question. This is important question for 4 marks. Sometimes they are asking for 7 marks itself. The next question. Find the vector having magnitude root 6 units and perpendicular to both 2i minus k bar and 3j minus I minus k. In the previous classes we discussed that the vector the vector means magnitude is there. Whenever it is magnitude is there, indirectly it is a unit vector along with a bar and b bar. So the vector having magnitude root 6 units and perpendicular to both vectors. So here we are going to apply the unit vector which is perpendicular to a bar and b bar is plus or minus a bar cross b bar by modulus of a bar cross b bar. This is the formula, generally we will use that. But whenever the required vector magnitude is mentioned, along with that formula you have to multiply with root 6. That's our formula. So root 6 times of plus or minus a bar cross b bar by modulus of a bar cross b bar. So first given vectors, write it and calculate a bar cross b bar. So first step, given vectors. A bar and b bar. A bar equal to 2i minus k, that means j bar is not there here, you can leave it. And b bar equal to, while writing carefully, here first time j bar is there but it is not I bar. So minus I bar, second one is there, write in the order. Minus I bar plus 3j bar minus k bar. Now calculate a bar cross b bar. A bar cross b bar is equal to I bar, j bar and k bar. We know that it is plus, it is minus, it is plus. First a bar components, 2, j bar value is not there means 0 and k bar value is minus 1. In the b bar vector their components minus 1, 3, minus 1. You have to expand, which is equal to I bar into 0 minus 3 into minus 1, minus 3, minus of minus 3 plus 3. Next minus j bar into 2 into minus 1, minus 2, minus 1 into minus 1 plus minus 1. Already minus is there, plus 1 will come. So minus plus k bar into 2 3s are 6 minus 1 into 0, 0. So 3i minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3 into minus plus 3j, 6 into k, 6k. This is the value of a bar cross b bar. After getting the value of a bar cross b bar, calculate the magnitude modulus of a bar cross b bar, which is equal to square root of 3 square plus 3 square plus 6 square, which is equal to root of 3 square means 9, 3 square means 9 plus 6 square is 36. So which is equal to root of 18 plus 36. So it will become as 54. That also can be written as 9 into 6, 54. So 9 we can take outside of the root, it will become as 3. So 3 root 6. Therefore the magnitude of a bar cross b bar is 3 root 6. You can keep it like this. The next they are asking, till here you will get 3 marks. Find the vectors having magnitude root 6 and perpendicular to a bar and b bar. Here, therefore, the required vector having the magnitude root 6 and perpendicular to a bar and b bar is plus or minus required vector magnitude is root 6 now. Root 6 times of a bar cross b bar divided by magnitude of a bar cross b bar. We know that what is a bar cross b bar, what is magnitude of a bar cross b bar also we know that. Substitute here. Root 6 plus or minus root 6. What is a bar cross b bar? 3i plus 3j plus 6k. 3i plus 3j plus 6k divided by mod a bar cross b bar 3 root 6. From this vector 3 also I am taking common, plus or minus root 6 into 3 we are taking common, I plus j plus k divided by 3 root 6. You can cancel the terms, which is equal to plus or minus I plus j plus k. Sorry, 2 came over here. We will move to the next question. The next question. Find a unit vector perpendicular to the plane determined by the points p of 1 comma minus 1 comma 2, q of 2 comma 0 comma minus 1, r of 0 comma 2 comma 1. You remember that whenever 3 points are given like p, q, r, the vector equation of plane, the unit vector perpendicular to the plane determined by the points. These are the points which are in the plane. This is the plane. So the formula unit vector perpendicular to the both vectors. So PQ and PR vectors you calculate, plus or minus PQ bar cross PR bar divided by magnitude of PQ bar cross PR bar. So how to calculate PQ bar and PR bar? So the given points we can write as a vectors. Given points, first step, given points. P of 1 comma minus 1 comma 2, Q of 2 0 minus 1 and R of 0 2 1. After that, the position vector of these points you have to write it. The position vectors of P, Q and R are respectively OP bar, OQ bar and OR bar, which are OP bar equal to, just point we can write it as a vector. So I bar minus j bar plus 2k bar. Next OQ bar equal to 2i, there is no j bar, directly write k bar, minus k bar and OR bar is equal to 0i bar and 2j bar plus k bar. After writing of these position vectors, we need to calculate PQ bar and PR bar. What is the meaning of PQ bar? OQ minus OP. So OQ minus OP means this vector minus this vector. So write it 2i minus k minus I minus j plus 2k. So which is equal to 2i minus I is I bar. There is no j vector. Minus into minus plus j. Minus k minus 2k minus 3k. This is the vector of PQ bar. Next PR bar. OR minus OP. OR vector means 2j plus k minus OP. OP means I minus j plus 2k, which is equal to There is no I bar. Minus into I. Minus I. 2j minus of minus j. 2j plus j. 3j. Next. K minus 2k. Minus k. So PQ bar we got it. PR bar we got it. Now cross multiplication of these two vectors. Now calculate PQ bar cross PR bar, which is equal to I, J, K. PQ components 1, 1, minus 3. PR components minus 1, 3, minus 1. So which is equal to, so here I will write it better. I into 1 into minus 1 is minus 1, minus 3 into minus 3, minus 9, minus of minus plus. So minus j bar into 1 into minus 1 is minus 1, minus 1 into minus 3, plus 3. So plus k bar into 1 into 3 is 3, minus 1 into 1, minus of minus 1 plus 1. So which is equal to 9 minus 1 is 8, 8 into I, 8i. Minus 3 minus 1, minus 4 into minus j, plus 4j, plus 4k. This is the magnitude of PQ bar cross PR bar. So magnitude calculate, vector we got it. PQ bar cross PR bar magnitude equal to square root of 8 square plus 4 square plus 4 square, which is equal to root 64 plus 16 plus 16, which is equal to root of 16 plus 16, 32. 32 plus 64, 96. Root 96. 16, 6 are 96. So 16 you can take outside. 4 root 6. After getting the value of magnitude of PQ bar cross PR bar equal to 4 root 6. Now the unit vector perpendicular to the plane determined by the points P, Q and R is plus or minus PQ bar cross PR bar divided by magnitude of PQ bar cross PR bar. So plus or minus, what is PQ bar cross PR bar? Here we got it, 8i plus 4j plus 4k. 8i plus 4j plus 4k divided by 4 root 6. From numerator you can take common 4. 4 into 2i plus j plus k divided by 4 root 6. 4 get cancelled, which is equal to plus or minus 2i plus j plus k by root 6, which is the required vector. We will move to the next question now. The next question, if a bar dot b bar equal to a bar dot c bar and a bar cross b bar equal to a bar cross c bar and a bar is not equal to 0, then show that b bar equal to c bar. See here, first one condition you can take and after that another condition. Given that a bar dot b bar is equal to a bar dot c bar. This a bar dot c bar I am taking here, this side, that means LHS side. A bar dot b bar minus a bar dot c bar is equal to 0. Take common a bar from these two. A bar dot common B bar minus C bar. We know that the product of two vectors equal to 0 means either A equal to 0 or B equal to 0. That means A bar equal to 0 or B bar minus C bar equal to 0. Since A bar is not equal to 0, then obviously what will be 0? B bar minus C bar equal to 0. Therefore, B bar equal to C bar. Equation 1. Come to second one. What is the second condition? Given that A bar cross B bar is equal to A bar cross C bar. So, A bar cross B bar minus A bar cross C bar is equal to 0. That A bar cross C bar we are taking this side. After that, in both the vectors, A bar we can take common, cross product of B bar minus C bar equal to 0. So, cross product of A bar and B bar equal to 0 means they are parallel vectors. We can write it as A bar cross B bar equal to 0 means either A bar equal to 0 or B bar equal to 0. Here also, either A bar equal to 0 or B bar minus C bar equal to 0. So, since A bar is not equal to 0, then obviously B bar minus C bar equal to 0. Therefore, B bar equal to C bar. Equation number 2. From 1 and 2, we get B bar equal to C bar, hence proved. We will move to the next question. The next question, this type of question we discussed already, but in the second section, again 9th question we have. Find a vector of magnitude 3 and perpendicular to both the vectors B bar and C bar. See here, first the vector perpendicular to both the vectors is plus or minus, two vectors are mentioned as B bar and C bar now. So, plus or minus B bar cross C bar by B bar mod B bar cross B bar. So, first we need to calculate the cross product of two vectors. First step, given vectors B bar equal to 2i minus 2j plus k and C bar equal to 2i plus 2j plus 3k. Now the cross product of B bar and C bar, B bar cross C bar equal to I, j and k. B bar components 2 minus 2 1 and C bar components 2 2 minus 3 2 2 3. So this is plus, this is minus, this is plus. So which is equal to I bar into minus 2 into 3 minus 6 minus 2 minus j bar into 2 3s are 6 minus 2 plus k bar into 4 minus of minus 4 4 plus 4. So which is equal to B bar cross C bar minus 8i minus 4j, 6 minus 2 4, 4j plus 8k. So here take common minus 4. Minus 4, if you take out common 2i plus j minus 2k. This is B bar cross C bar. Magnitude of B bar cross C bar which is equal to mod minus 4 into 2i plus j minus 2k. So within modulus minus 4 plus 4 and square root of magnitude of this one, only you write it, magnitude of 2i plus j minus 2k. So which is equal to 4 into square root of 2 square plus 1 square plus minus 2 whole square. So 4 times of 4 plus 1 plus 4 root 9, 4 into root 9 which is equal to 3. So magnitude of b bar cross c bar is equal to 12. After that, write the formula. Find a vector of magnitude 3. So the required vector. The vector of magnitude 3 and perpendicular to both the vectors b bar and c bar is, here magnitude is 3 now, so we can write it as plus or minus 3 times of b bar cross c bar divided by magnitude of 3 b bar cross c bar. So which is equal to plus or minus 3 into, what is b bar cross c bar? Here it will be there, minus 4 into 2i plus j minus 2k divided by 12. So plus or minus into minus is plus or minus only will come. 12 into 2i plus j minus 2k divided by 12. So 12 get cancelled. Plus or minus 2i plus j minus 2k. We will move to the next question now. The next question, this question asked in the public exam for 4 marks. If magnitude of a bar equal to 13, magnitude of b bar equal to 5 and a bar dot b bar equal to 60, then find magnitude of a bar cross b bar. See here, first given information you have to write it. Given mod a bar equal to 13, mod b bar equal to 5 and a bar dot b bar equal to 60. This is the information is given. What is the formula for a bar dot b bar? In the earlier classes we discussed that a bar dot b bar equal to mod a bar into mod b bar into cos of angle between them. So cos theta. Theta is the angle between these two vectors. So by using the formula, a bar dot b bar is mod a bar into mod b bar into cos theta is equal to 60. What is a bar, what is b bar? This value is given. Magnitude of these vectors is 13 into 5 into cos theta equal to 60. So 5 ones are 5 12s are. So from this cos theta equal to 12 by 13. You put it in box this value. After that, they are asking to calculate magnitude of a bar cross b bar. Now consider a bar cross b bar equal to the definition of cross product of two vectors. So mod a bar into mod b bar into sin theta, where theta is the angle between a bar and b bar vectors. So mod a bar, mod b bar values are there. So 13 into 5 into sin theta, a bar cross b bar. Now squaring on both sides. So magnitude of squaring means like this, you can write it. A bar plus b bar whole square equal to 13 square into 5 square into sin square theta. Sin square theta we can write as 1 minus cos square theta. So which is equal to 13 square into 5 square 1 minus cos square theta. So which is equal to 13 square into 5 square 1 minus 12 by 13 whole square, which is equal to 13 square into 5 square 1 minus 144 divided by 169. After that, mod a bar cross b bar whole square is equal to 13 square into 5 square. Take LCM 169. 169 minus 144, which is equal to 13 square into 5 square. 169 minus 144, which is equal to 25, divided by 169. So 13 square is also same now. So 169 into 5 square means 25, divided into 25 by 169. 169 get cancelled. Mod magnitude of a bar plus b bar whole square equal to 25 square. So therefore, magnitude of a bar cross b bar equal to, if you remove squares on both sides, you will get a bar cross b bar equal to 25. Hence proved. They are asking to prove this result, no? We got it. And they are asking to. So the value of mod a bar plus b bar is not hence proved, hence the result. They are asking to calculate only mod a bar plus b bar equal to 25. They are not asking to find the value. So next question. The next question. This is also important type question for 4 marks question, that is short answer type questions in the vector algebra, product of vectors. Find unit vector perpendicular to the plane passing through the points 1, 2, 3, 2, minus 1, 1 and 1, 2, minus 4. So how to remember for this type of questions, how to solve the problem. This is the plane. It is passing through which points? Given points are here. First one I am taking as P, Q, R or A, B, C you can take. Suppose A, B, C. Here some point A is there, here some point B is there, here some point C is there. This plane passing through these 3 points. First what we have to do, find out AB and AC. This vector is perpendicular to the plane passing through these 3 points. This is AB bar cross AC bar. You remember, dear students? This is exactly perpendicular to these 2 vectors. It is perpendicular. So now, given points, I am assuming that one is A and B and C. One, 2, 3, 2 minus 1, 1 and 1, 2 minus 4. So for these points, we have to write, to calculate AB bar and AC bar, we need to calculate position vectors. Let the position vectors, otherwise directly the position vectors of PV means position vector. Position vectors of capital A, B and C are respectively OA bar, OB bar and OC bar. So that are OA bar equal to I plus 2j plus 3k and OB bar equal to 2I minus j plus k and OC bar equal to I plus 2j minus 4k. So these are the position vectors of given points OA, OB and OC. Now we are going to calculate AB bar and AC bar. So now AB bar equal to AB bar means OB bar minus OA bar by using triangular vectors. OB bar 2I minus j plus k minus OA bar means I plus 2j plus 3k. Now if you subtract 2I minus I is I, minus j minus 2j minus 3j, k minus 3k is minus 2k. This is the AB vector. Next, AC bar equal to OC minus OA. OC vector, what is OC? I plus 2j minus 4k minus OA 1 I plus 2j minus plus 3k. So which is equal to I minus I 0, no need to write, 2j minus 2j cancel, minus 4k minus 3k minus 7k. This is about AC bar vector. Now the cross product of these two vectors we are going to calculate now. AB bar cross AC bar equal to magnitude determinant of I bar, J bar, K bar. In the AB vector, what are the components? 1 minus 3 minus 2. And in AC bar, only K bar component is there. So 0, 0, minus 7. So this is plus, this is minus, this is plus, which is equal to I bar into minus plus 21 minus 0 minus J bar into minus 7 minus 0 plus K bar into 0 minus 0. So it will become 21I plus 7J. There is no K bar. So we can take common 7 itself. 3I plus J. So this is about AB bar cross AC bar. After that you can calculate the magnitude of this vector. Magnitude of AB bar cross AC bar is equal to magnitude of 7 into 3I plus J. So which is equal to 7 we can take outside, and magnitude of 3I plus j, which is equal to 7 into root of 3 square plus 1 square. So which is equal to 7 into root of 9 plus 1, which is equal to 7 root 10. This is about the magnitude of AB bar cross AC bar. Now, this is the last step, required step. The unit vector perpendicular to this is a conclusion step which is very very important. Unit vector perpendicular to the plane passing through the points A, B, C is plus or minus AB bar cross AC bar divided by magnitude of AB bar cross AC bar. Suppose if you are assuming as PQR cross PR bar, that's all. It is equal to magnitude plus or minus AB bar cross AC bar value is 7 times of 3I plus J divided by 7 root 10. So 7 get cancelled, which is equal to plus or minus 3I plus j by root 10, which is the required unit vector perpendicular to the given plane and passing through these points. Thank you dear students for watching my channel. Those who are watching first time this channel, please do subscribe and share to your friends. In the coming video, the third section, this is the second section we completed. In the next video, third section, we will discuss. Thank you all. Thanks for your support.